Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are fine and doing well. Today we are exploring some of the most adorable and creative crochet baby shoes design ideas that you can easily make at home. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, these designs will inspire your next project. Let's start with Crochet Classic Booties. These timeless designs are soft, cozy, and perfect for newborns. You can keep them simple with pastel colors or add cute buttons and bows for a more stylish touch. Next, we have animal themed baby shoes from tiny teddy bears to cute bunny ears. These designs are playful and fun. They make a perfect gift for baby shower and are guaranteed to bring smiles. If you love a modern look, try sneaker style crochet shoes. These mini versions of sports shoes are trendy and look absolutely adorable on little feet. You can experiment with color combination to make them stand out. For something elegant, consider lace or floral crochet shoes. These delicate patterns are perfect for special occasions like birthdays or family gatherings. Adding small flowers or pearls can enhance their beauty even more. Don't forget about winter design. Crochet baby boots with thicker yarn and warm lining will keep babies cozy during colder months. You can also add pom-poms or fur for extra charm. Lastly, try themed designs like princess shoes or sandals for summers. These are lightweight, breathable, and perfect for warmer days. Crochet baby shoes are not only beautiful but also practical and customizable. You can adjust size, color, and style to match any outfit or occasion. If you enjoyed this design, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more creative crochet inspiration. Thanks for watching and thanks for watching. Happy crocheting. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are fine and doing well. Today we are exploring some of the most adorable and creative crochet baby shoes design ideas that you can easily make at home.